A1 English listening. My high school studies.
Hi, I'm Tiffany. I want to tell you a little about my high school experience. I graduated from high school about 15 years ago. My favorite subject was healthcare science. I loved learning about the human body because it was interesting. I also really liked math because it was easy for me. Today, I'm a doctor, so science and math were very useful subjects for me. I liked history too because it was interesting. I also liked art. It was fun for me. I also enjoyed PE because I was very athletic in high school. I played tennis for the school team. I didn't like all subjects, though. My least favorite subject was music. I wasn't very good at playing instruments, so it was difficult for me. I also didn't enjoy computer science. I thought the class was boring. Overall, I really enjoyed high school, and I liked most of my subjects. Now, it's your turn. When did you finish high school? What subjects did you like and dislike? Why did you like or dislike them?